We recommend using 2 hands for stranded knitting. Hold the background color in the upper position when looking at the back of the work. The highest yarn will have the smallest stitches and will be less dominant. Hold the color you most want to pop in the lowest position. Keep your yarn laid out in the order with which you're knitting. For most left-handed knitters, the contrasting color is next to your right hand. The background color is next to your left hand, and the second contrasting yarn is in the middle. To keep your floats from being too tight, spread the stitches out on the needle. Gently stretching the fabric as you work can help even out tension. Everyone knits differently. Don't be afraid to experiment to find the method that works best for you.